God of War Ragnarok. God of War Ragnarok. God of War Ragnarok. I got it. Dude, what's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy B, and we back in this mode with another video, man. Today we got the very special PS5 God of War Ragnarok controller, man. Y'all was flaming me in the comment section of the PS5 unboxing. My bad for mistakenly mispronouncing the Ragnarok. Hey, look, we all make mistakes. But anyways, man, we got the limited edition controller here, man. We just gonna do a quick unboxing, showing you guys what all comes in the box. A little close-up look at the controller itself. Yeah, man, so with that being said, man, let's go ahead and hop straight into this video, man. Let's get it! Alright, man, so in the box, we got the controller. Also comes with a manual right here. Whoever read those. So here we have the PS5 God of War Ragnarok limited edition DualSense controller, man. Dope controller. Still has like all the PS5 details on the controller as well with the button layouts. Up top we got the God of War logo. White PlayStation button. I low-key wish like you can like change the color of the light itself to the same color as controller. That would be dope. The back of the controller right here with the God of War logo on the back. Like I said, man, this is a very dope controller, man. We got the black button layouts. As you guys see, thumbsticks are all blacked out. Triggers feel good. Dope controller, man. Definitely something you can add in your collection if you like collecting controllers, or even if you just like the God of War game itself. There you guys go, man. The PS5 God of War Ragnarok controller, man. Very dope controller, like I mentioned earlier. I believe it retails for $74.99 if I'm not mistaken. It's a definitely cop, man. It's a cop for me. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions below about the controller as well down in the comments. I'm always down in the comments showing love. Be sure to check out one of the videos at the end of the screen. It's definitely a banger. I wouldn't miss it if I was you, man.